Hi, I'm Mohammed and you're watching the 18th episode of the Academic IELTS Writing Series. Today we'll write the opening sentences of our problem solution essay supporting paragraphs. So let's get started. We need to talk about the cause of the problem in the first supporting paragraph. The most obvious cause of agriculture's failure is the high price of new technologies. For instance, new tractors that enhance plowing have high procurement and maintenance costs, and buying them for hunger-stricken countries is unthinkable. And the second supporting paragraph is about the solution to this problem. A solution that can remedy money-related hunger eradication setbacks is low-interest loans. Statistics show that Asian countries that have taken out such loans are, thanks to their new agricultural machinery, well beyond subsistence farming and ready to export their surplus crops. In the next episode, we'll do the same thing to our double action essay. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Hey, it's me again. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Ask me your questions in the comments below. You can also contact me at mohammedgulpaigani@gmail.com for online lessons.